Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore how to combine the data by using the append and merge queries in Power BI. Let's start. Now, if you observe, there are two tables has the same number of columns and same columns as well. Even the names also same. And you want to combine this data by row level. If you observe the result and if you want like this result set, then you have to use the append. For example, I have a data monthly wise January, February, March like this. Or once again, I'll show you the data as well here. If you see the table view, see I have three columns in each table: date, client, sales in million. Same column, same number of columns, right? So instead of using these many tables, I would like to use only one table by combining all these rows into one table. So for this, you have to use the append query. Go to transform data, open the Power Query editor here. And if you see here, every table has the 10 rows. February table 10 rows, March 10 rows. So like this, every table has the 10 rows and 7 queries. I have 7 tables, I mean. So 70 rows totally, right? So these all 70 rows, we can create one table instead of using these 7 tables, right? So let's explore how can we do this. Here there is an option called append queries. Just go to append queries. Append queries as new. And by default, you have two tables options selected. Here you can append only two tables. But there is a one more option called three or more tables. If you see, just click there. And here, just append the tables in the same order you want, like Jan, Feb, March, April, like this. Just add these tables and click on OK. See, if you see one new table has been created, append one, and if you see 70 rows are there in this table, right? So now I can use simply this table instead of by using these 7 tables. Here, if you observe, so all these tables came and append one table also came, right? But the main purpose is I don't want these 7 tables, right? As I told. So for this, what you can do is like just right click and uncheck the enable load. Click on continue. Like this you can do for all these tables. You can disable the load for these tables. Uncheck enable load. That's it. Like this. And you can rename if you want. Here I'm giving the name as monthly table, monthly data. Close and apply. This time if you see only one table. See, this is the append query. Instead of using 7 tables, now I'm going to use only one table, has all the data, all the 70 rows. And come to merge. So what is merge? Here you have two different tables, A, B, C, C, D are the columns, and observe one common column should be present in the both tables. Here C is the common column. So if you want to merge in the sense like column wise. In append, you did a combine row level, and in merge, you are doing a combine at the column level by using the common column, right? Hope you understand. And if you see the tables here, I took the master table and transaction table as a sample and go to Power Query Editor again. And if you observe, master table has the employee code, employee first name, salary. 3 columns I have. And in transaction table, employee code, department, Jones visited. And the common column is the employee code between both tables. So now my requirement is I would like to use the salary column also along with these 3 columns in the transaction table. For this, instead of using the master table, entire table, why I need to call unnecessary columns like first name and employee code again from the master table. I need just the salary column, that's it. So for this, go to merge queries and click on the merge queries as new. And in this window, just select the transaction table and master table and choose the common column, which is an employee code, right? Just select the employee code and employee code here. And by default join kind, you will get the left outer join. And if you want, you can use the different joins as well based on your requirement, and then click OK. See, now one new table got generated, which is a merge one. If you observe in this table, master table also came. The second table automatically coming as a column, and you can choose whatever the required columns you want. So I'm unchecking the employee code and employee first name here because I want only salary from this table. That's it. And I'm unchecking the use original column, that is only for naming convention, and click on OK. See, now all these three columns along with the salary column as well. So you can uncheck the enable load for these two tables, and you can use merge one. Uncheck the enable load for this as well, and just rename the merge one table based on your requirement. Here I'm giving merge data, and this table I'm going to use, which has total 4 columns instead of using 2 tables. So this is the merge. If you observe the data pane here, merge data, monthly data. If you observe merge data, if you see total 4 columns I have, by using the merge query, I got it from 2 tables. And this is the append, by using the append query, total 7 tables, I combine the data at a row level. Now quickly we will go through the differences between the merge and append to get the much clarity on this. And for append, we will combine the row level, and in merge combine the data at the column level. For append, the column structure should be same. For merge, it's not necessary, but should be have a one common column. And in append, it should increase the data. It will increase the data at a row level. Number of rows will increase, and in merge, number of columns will increase. Append, no relationship is required. For merge, there is a relationship required, as I shown, left outer join, right outer join, that thing. And for append, ideal case is combining the similar data sets, and for merge, the ideal case is just to get the some other columns from the another table. The append is a non-case sensitive and merge is a case sensitive, which means whatever the common column should be present, right, which I told you, that common column should be a case sensitive in a both tables. Hope you understand the concepts of append and merge queries in Power BI. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please do a like, share and subscribe.